Guys, we have been making a lot of mistakes in affiliate marketing. Yes, everybody is bound to make mistakes and nobody is an exception. So it is not a bad thing, but it's bad if you are unable to spot these mistakes and make correction. Because even experienced affiliate marketers do make mistakes as well. Keep watching as I'm going to break down these mistakes and I'm going to give you ways in which you can avoid them. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. Let's talk about the common pitfalls in affiliate marketing. One of the major problems that a lot of affiliate marketers are facing is that they are promoting a lot of products. They're promoting too many products. A lot of them might not actually see this as being a problem. They might not notice it, but you are sharing yourself here and there, putting yourself in a lot of categories. And this will become an issue for you, most especially when you are just a starter, because you're going to find it hard to focus on a particular product. And this can affect you because you might not be able to spot the opportunities in that particular product that you're pushing when they come, because you got your eyes on too many of them. Also, a lot of affiliate marketers do not even make research on the product that they are promoting. They just go to pick one product, maybe because the percentage is high or maybe because the product looks kind of beautiful or something. So when they just find the product and they see that it has a high percentage rate, they start going out to promote. And they don't even make good research to see maybe the product has a good quality, to see customer reviews of people who have previously purchased. And this thing actually leads them to failure in the business. Please don't forget, take these two things from this segment. Make sure that you do not promote too many products, most especially when you are a starter. And also, please make research on anything that you want to promote. Please, this is very, very important. Make research on anything that you want to promote or be an affiliate for before you start. Do your research based on their history, based on the quality of that product, and check reviews to see the testimony of others who have tested the product for you to be sure that you don't have any complaint after you've sold the product. Now let's talk about staying compliant. As we all know, every product have their terms and conditions. Staying compliant is one important thing that will keep you valid in this space. Always understand the terms and conditions of every program that you're going to pick, every service that you're going to promote, every product that you're going to promote, so that you're not going to violate it in any way and lose your access to the platform, to the product, or to the website. Another problem is cloaking. There's something that a lot of people do and they expect it to work, but I don't get it really. They will make a post, right? And then they will be hiding a link to something in their post. And they're not going to tell you what it's about. How can you be doing that? Doesn't make any sense. Instead, why not just talk about the products and then put the link there? Yes, it's okay that you would maybe use a URL shortener to actually shorten the link so that it's not going to look, somehow long. But don't talk about football and then start putting motivation links or motivational books inside. There's no way that it's going to work. Avoid cloaking and save yourself from this mistake that a lot of affiliate marketers make. Now, some people are huge fans of misleading adverts. They will put one banner, they will put one picture, and then when you click it, it's going to lead them to another thing that is not it. Because that picture is something viral or because it has a tendency to go viral, it does not mean that they are going to buy your product, okay? All the time, you have to make sure that your product actually matches the description that you put out there. For people who have a brand, this is the big mistake that you're going to be making if you're always misleading people by giving them clickbaits, showing them something different from what you are promoting. It is a very big mistake that you'll be making. So make sure you avoid this mistake and save yourself from this big problem. If you're enjoying the video so far, please leave a like. Now let's talk about adapting to affiliate program changes. In a lot of terms and conditions of these programs, sometimes you'll be able to see there that these people have the right to actually change your percentage and change your profit. You have to be ready for stuff like this because sometimes it happens, some of these things can actually be affected by price change, but sometimes the owner of the products might actually choose to reduce the commission in which affiliates are getting. Why? Because maybe they are having a lot of sales, they are having too much sales, and it might maybe be affecting the production rates negatively. So they actually have to increase the percentage so that the orders are going to be reduced for them to be able to handle it. So sometimes you might expect or you might get a percentage reduction in that particular product that you're trying to promote. Please, these are the things that you should expect. Also, please understand that there can be issues when you are tracking your sales. Sometimes the number of clicks might not tally. Sometimes your sales might not even show up. But it's not really a problem because you can actually fix this. Always make sure that you contact your provider for issues like this. Make sure that you're always keeping communications and reporting all of these issues so that they can be able to help you to fix this in time and help you not to lose money and also save time as well. Tracking is very important because it helps you to understand how your sales are working. It can help you to know what post you actually made that brought that amount of clicks, that brought that amount of traffic. So it plays an essential role in the affiliate marketing business. Always make sure that your tracking is accurate and report any issues that you might face during this process. Guys, I'll be taking questions on this one. So if you have any questions, please do make sure that you ask it in the comment section. So I will make a compilation of them and do a video on that. And the ones that I cannot include in the video, I will reply you directly in the comment section. Please don't forget the important points that I made in this video, because this is going to help you on the long run. So like I said, don't promote too many products. Always make research of every product or service that you want to promote. Understand the terms and conditions of every program. Do not cloak your affiliate links. Also, do not post misleading adverts or clickbaits. Be aware of commission changes so that you are not going to have a problem with that product on the long run. And also, keep track of your traffic and your clicks and your sales. And also make sure that you report any issues encountered or issues faced to avoid payment issues. Please always make sure to be vigilant when doing this business, and make sure that you watch out for these mistakes and avoid them to have yourself running a successful business in your affiliate marketing journey. That'll be all for today, guys. Please make sure to subscribe, because I'll be dropping another video soon. Tap on the bell icon so you are going to get notified when the next video drops. Do have a lovely day, guys. Cheers.